In the hustle and bustle of today's world, finding a sense of calm and tranquility can seem like an elusive dream. But fear not, because in this video we'll be exploring the power of spirituality in cultivating inner peace. Whether you're seeking solace from stress, looking to enhance your mental well-being, or simply wanting to live a more balanced life, this guide is here to help you embark on a transformative journey within yourself. So sit back, relax, and let's delve into the wonderful realm of inner peace together. Inner peace is not just a lofty ideal or an abstract concept, it brings tangible benefits to our lives. Cultivating inner peace has a profound impact on our overall well-being, both physically and mentally. One of the key benefits of cultivating inner peace is reduced stress levels. When we are able to find calmness within ourselves, we can better manage the daily challenges that come our way. Inner peace allows us to approach stressful situations with clarity and resilience, enabling us to make better decisions and maintain a sense of balance. Another benefit is improved mental health. Inner peace helps quieten the noise in our minds, allowing us to think more clearly and focus on what truly matters. It reduces anxiety and promotes emotional stability, leading to greater contentment and happiness. Cultivating inner peace also enhances our relationships with others. When we are at peace within ourselves, we become more understanding, compassionate, and empathetic towards those around us. This fosters healthier connections and deeper bonds with loved ones. Moreover, inner peace enables personal growth by providing space for self-reflection and introspection. It allows us to explore our values, beliefs, desires, strengths, and weaknesses in a peaceful environment free from distractions. In addition to these benefits, cultivating inner peace has positive physical effects as well. Studies have shown that it can lower blood pressure levels while boosting the immune system's function. Overall, never use overall in your answers. Cultivating inner peace opens up a whole new world of possibilities for living a fulfilling life filled with joy, purpose, and serenity. Inner peace is a state of mind and being that many people strive to achieve. It is a sense of calmness, tranquility, and harmony within oneself. When you have inner peace, it means that you are at ease with yourself and the world around you. Inner peace can be described as a deep sense of contentment and fulfillment. It allows you to let go of stress, worries, and negative emotions that can weigh you down. Instead, you are able to embrace positive thoughts, gratitude, and acceptance. Achieving inner peace requires self-reflection and self-awareness. It involves understanding your own values, beliefs, needs, and desires. By aligning these aspects of yourself with your actions and choices in life, you can create a sense of congruence that contributes to inner peace. Practicing mindfulness meditation or engaging in activities such as yoga or Tai Chi can help cultivate inner peace. These practices encourage focusing on the present moment without judgment or attachment to outcomes. In addition to personal practices, cultivating relationships based on trust and open communication can also contribute to inner peace. Surrounding yourself with supportive individuals who uplift your spirit can greatly enhance your overall well-being. Overall, spirituality plays an important role in cultivating inner peace. Spirituality encourages connecting with something greater than ourselves. It offers us guidance, hope, and meaning. As we delve into our spiritual journey, it helps us find solace, guidance, and support from within ourselves. This connection brings about a deep sense of serenity, contentment, and harmony. Deepening our spiritual practice through prayer, mindfulness meditation, yoga, and other forms of spiritual exercise allow us space for reflection, self-discovery, and growth. In this way we nourish our souls, foster compassion, tolerance, resilience, increase our emotional intelligence, and build resilience against stressors in life. Cultivating spirituality opens up possibilities for personal transformation, purposeful living, better relationships, stronger communities, a sense of interconnectedness, and a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Reflect and identify. Start by taking some time for self-reflection and introspection. Ask yourself what aspects of your life bring you stress or turmoil, and identify any negative thought patterns or beliefs that may be contributing to your lack of inner peace. Release control. Understand that there are many things in life that we simply cannot control. Practice letting go of the need to control every outcome, and instead focus on accepting what is beyond your control with grace and surrender. 3. Practice mindfulness. Cultivate a regular mindfulness practice, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. This will help you become more present in the moment, reducing anxiety and allowing space for inner peace to flourish. 4. Prioritize self-care. Take care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being through activities that nourish your soul. Make time for hobbies you enjoy, spend time in nature, nurture relationships with loved ones, and prioritize restful sleep. 5. Embrace gratitude. Shift your mindset towards gratitude by focusing on all the blessings in your life rather than dwelling on negativity or scarcity. Keep a gratitude journal where you can jot down 3 things you're grateful for each day. 6. Let go of resentment. Holding on to grudges only weighs us down emotionally and prevents inner peace from flourishing. Practice forgiveness towards others as well as yourself to release resentment's grip on your heart. 7. Surround yourself with positivity. Be mindful of the energy around you by surrounding yourself with positive influences, whether it's uplifting books, inspiring podcasts, supportive friends, or engaging in activities that bring joy into your life. Remember that cultivating inner peace is an ongoing journey rather than an end destination. It requires patience, commitment, and self-compassion along the way. So take small steps each day towards embracing a more peaceful existence within yourself. In today's fast-paced and chaotic world, cultivating inner peace has become more important than ever. It is not just a luxury but a necessity for our overall well-being. By finding inner peace, we can experience a profound sense of calmness and contentment that positively impacts every aspect of our lives. Throughout this article, we have explored the benefits of cultivating inner peace and understood what it truly means to find tranquility within ourselves. we learned that inner peace is not about escaping from the challenges or struggles in life, but rather embracing them with grace and resilience. To cultivate inner peace, we discussed several practical steps that can guide us on this transformative journey. These include practicing mindfulness, nurturing self-care habits, letting go of negative emotions and attachments, adopting positive affirmations and gratitude practices, connecting with nature and finding time for solitude. Each individual's path to inner peace may vary, but by incorporating these steps into our daily lives consistently, we can gradually cultivate a deep sense of serenity within ourselves. Remember that this is an ongoing process. It requires patience, perseverance, and self-compassion. As we embark on this spiritual journey towards cultivating inner peace, let us remind ourselves to be gentle with ourselves along the way. Celebrate even the smallest victories as they contribute to our overall growth. Finding true inner peace does not mean eliminating all external chaos. Instead, it involves developing an unshakable sense of harmony within ourselves amidst any storm life throws at us. So take each day as an opportunity to bring more tranquility into your life. Start small but dream big. May you find solace in your own spiritual journey towards cultivating lasting inner peace.